It is harvest time in the bluegrass. Our Hannah Jackson met with local farmers to talk about the importance of this time of year.
It's finally fall in the bluegrass. For many, that means cool weather, pumpkin patches, and fall festivals. But for farmers, it's time to hit the fields and harvest their crops.
Harvest season runs anywhere from late September, typically until mid-November. You have some guys that'll go a little later, some guys that do a little earlier. It's all really weather dependent.
For many local farmers, this is a family business that is passed on for generations. Families have spent years perfecting how to maximize the crop yield and minimize losing any of their product.
I was born into a farming family. I guess I'm third generation here in Scott County. There's not a day that goes by that I don't think of my forefathers, my grandparents that did this, and I think that's a lot of why we love it. We get to carry on the tradition and pass down the knowledge and the love for it. You don't do this for the money. You do this because you love it and you want to see it continue and you want to succeed at it.
When asked, what is the biggest stereotype around farming, Lyons believes it's that many people don't understand the depths of what farmers do.
Farmers have to do a whole lot of jobs. Farmers are weathermen, they're mechanics, they're financial advisors, they watch markets, they make decisions, sometimes for the worst, sometimes for the best. They take risks. I think a lot of people just don't understand completely what goes into it.
To many, it's a job of importance that they dedicate their whole life to.
Only 2% of the nation are farmers, and so 2% are feeding the 98% of the nation.
Putting in hours of work to feed people around the globe that they will never meet is just one of the many contributions our local farmers make. In Scott County, Hannah Jackson, Fox 56 News.